Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I've got a little bit of a project to share with you here. The beginnings of a design team project for Studio 28E. And so I wanted to share just how I'm getting started in this kit because it's super cute and I'm excited to work with it. I printed it out. And let me just show you what I did here. I want to make this like a, I know I've made minis and maybe you've seen my mini journals, like little minis like this. And so I accidentally printed it out mini when I wanted it like this, okay? So I'm like, well, I love this kit. So I'll show you the mini pages real quick and then I'll show you the regular size pages, but just super cute. I mean, look at this page right here. When I saw this, I just like fell in love because first of all, it printed out this color. These I have not added any color to, but look at the strings in the middle, like from the pamphlet stitch, from the stitching. It's so cute and it looks like it's been coffee dyed. And then it has these little clusters kind of in the corners here. Super cute on that page. And then this, let's see, let me make sure I have them in the right direction. It looks like it goes this way. It looks like it could go either way. It kind of looks like it goes this way too. I think it does go this way. Okay, figuring this out. But this has lines on it and then it has this pretty decoration. So that's like, these are all 2 pages. So like when you put it in the journal, if you've never worked with a digital kit before, you can either fold it this way or you can fold it this way, depending on what you're going for. But this was printed on, these were printed on bond paper, so they feel really nice and kind of thick. And just this kit is called Denim and Lace, and so when I printed them on bond, it's like they almost feel like denim. They almost feel like fabric. I don't know if it's just my mind playing tricks with me or what, but they almost look like denim, and some of them do look like denim, like they're really tricking me. But this is another gorgeous page here. And then this one's the one that's really tricking me. I mean, doesn't that look like denim? It's so cool. And it's not, it's paper. And this one is, of course, it's gorgeous with the it's like denim and lace with these butterflies. That's a gorgeous page. And then here's another one with the lace on the bottom. And doesn't this look real? Like a real piece of lace across the bottom. So pretty. And then right here we've got like little rings from a glass sitting on here or something. So pretty also. And then it's got the lines to write on. There's 2 of those I see. And then this one is a peacock over here, and this little collage, so pretty with the lines. I love that. I love the different shades of denim there, the dark and the blue, or the lighter blue. And then here's another page with pretty decorations on each corner. Is this different from the first one I showed you? Yeah, this is a different one. It's another one with the strings, but the decorations in the corners are different on this one. Let's see, it goes like this. Isn't that beautiful? Don't you just love that? So pretty. Okay, so that's the mini version. So I'm going to still use them, even though I printed these out small by mistake somehow. I'm going to use these for my ephemera, okay? So I've already started doing that. I made, out of one piece, I made this little booklet. Out of one of the pages, I just cut this piece. I thought it was so pretty. It had this lace, it had these colors, and it had this lace right here, these pieces. And that was so pretty. I wanted to go ahead and use it, and I made a little booklet. Last night I was just kind of using up some of my scraps, and I made a little booklet. It's got coffee dyed paper in here, really pretty coffee dyed paper. So you've got all of this journaling room, and I can stick this in a pocket. I just folded a piece of craft cardstock over the top, and I used my tiny attacher, and I think those are so cute, those little staples right there. So that's how I did that one. So that was one page of the little mini pages that I used for that. Here's the scraps from it. So I didn't throw away the scraps. I'm going to use these for something too. So those are right there. And then I made another little booklet out of this page that I loved. This is another one that kind of like fools the eye. It just looks so much like denim, doesn't it? And so I took that page and cut it into this shape. I had these scraps that were already about this shape. So I said, well, let me cut it down to fit over these scraps. So I did. Rounded the corners and rounded the corners of the pages inside too. And sew with my sewing machine right down the middle here with some black thread. I even left the strings. So another nice journaling little booklet that I can put in one of the pockets in this journal I'm about to make. And so, like I said, you've seen the mini pages. So let me show you the large pages. Okay, and let me see if I can get them in the right direction here. So here's this one. Now these I did already do some blue dyeing on the back with the spritz spray that I like to do. So I sprayed these with my blue food coloring on the back. After I printed them out, I just took them in my kitchen, laid out my plastic tablecloth to protect my kitchen counter, and I turned them over like this, sprayed them as much as I wanted, and this is how they came out. And I think they're really super pretty. I love that because then I can fold them, put them in the journal, and so you have this pretty page here, and when you turn the page, you're going to have all this writing room or whatever you want to put as like a blank page, but it's pretty. You have this pretty blue-black background, and so you can use it for whatever you want. Gluing in pictures, ephemera, tickets, making pockets, making pictures, collages, or writing. So I just love that, to have pretty page, blank page. So that is that pretty page, and it's got this lace on here. So beautiful, right? And so then here's the next one. This is like the page I cut apart with the lace, the mini one that I put on the front of this little paper right here. You see the mini page I cut up? This is the big page. And you see how pretty that is with all those kind of collage colors there. Just a kind of a rainbow of colors on this one. And it's got lines in the background. So, and there's the back of that one. Okay, here's another one. This is one of the fool the eye ones. It looks like you would swear this was denim, right? At least I would. Look at the line down the middle too. It's so cool. That's where you fold it and you turn it into your page. I mean, I'm just like looking at it right now in person, and it's just like I feel like I'm handling denim, but it's paper. It's amazing actually. So here's the butterfly page printed out in regular size, full size. You can see the pretty denim behind the lace and the blue butterflies. And that's going to be so pretty. Here's the back, the blue back. That is going to be so pretty as a page. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I just love this kit. I'm just, it's like blowing me away. It's so pretty. Here's the page with the rings from the glass, and a lace that looks real on the bottom. Got the lines. And here's the back. So pretty with my little spritz spray there. I like to leave some white showing through so you can see that it was sprayed. It's not solid, I love that look. So that's that one. Here's another one that's fools your eye. You would swear you're looking at a piece of denim right now. And then pretty flowers right here, like a layered. This looks like a layered like silk flower. Not silk flower, but like the ones you buy at Walmart or Dollar Tree or something, but actual fabric silk. That's what that looks like to me. And then here, this one looks like fabric too, but it's speckled. And this looks like a sequined piece of flower, or it can also look like a actual jewelry piece right there. So really pretty on that. There's the back of that one. Here's this one with the flowers that I think, which way did I decide this goes? I think it goes like this, possibly. Really, I think this one could go either way. I mean, look at it like this. and look at it like this. I think it goes this way though. And then here's the background on that, my spritz spray. And the pretty front, so it'll look like this folded. And then you turn, there's your blank page, so pretty. And here's, there must be two of these in, because I noticed that in the mini one too. There's two of these lined pages with the lace on the bottom and the circles. And then here's the peacock. And this little cluster up here is so pretty. And you've got the lines on this side. There's my spritz. And this one I think goes like this. Let me get them both turned in the right direction. But this is the lined with these two kind of clusters here in the corners and the strings. It looks like that. Okay. And this one with the strings also. The other one with the strings and the pretty corners here. So that's that. And see, now there's the pages and then there's the ephemera. So here's my ephemera. I've already cut it out, so I wanted to show you real quick. All of this is ephemera. Just, let's see, I think I only printed out one time. I'm not sure, but I might have, did I print it out small? No, I think I printed it out one time, so you get all this with the kit, as far as I remember. But I already cut out, see these little flowers right here? They're going to be so pretty on something, right? A little star. They're all little like denim. This is like a little denim star. You can see the stitching around the edges there. This is going to be a tag. Okay, then you've got corner pockets. Let's see. Here's another piece of like just fabric, like denim and lace. Look, that's what this is all about. This is a really pretty little scalloped piece. This piece right here, just beautiful. There's a couple like that, but this is the denim. And then we have a piece of lace here. And another one of those flowers with a little gem in the middle. Some pretty bluebirds to go along with our blue theme here. Another one of these, a tag. Super pretty. This is a label. Really nice vintage label there. And I'll just go through the rest here so we don't take too long, but here's a blue jean label. Isn't this cool? Very retro or vintage looking. And there's some pretty blues to use, you know, along with the kit. Some more corner pockets, some tags, and just, this is just fooling my eye. Every time I see it, I feel like I'm handling denim right now when it's actually paper. Some more of the pretty labels. And then the denim stars. They also are fooling my eye. I feel like I'm handling denim. Here's this little piece I cut out. The birds. This is a pretty little piece here with the blues. And then the rest of these, just pretty, pretty pieces. So that is all the ephemera. Let me see, some circles. These are little tiny circles that I can use to decorate. More corner pockets, and another one of these, another denim star. So I've got all my ephemera corralled in this folder. Now I'm not sure of the cover. I pulled out this book because I really need to use some of my books. Keep buying books, and I need to use some, you know what I mean? To make room for the ones I even bought recently. I need to put them away, so I need to use more and more of my books. Because I kind of tend to go for the traveler's notebook or a little mini journal, and then I don't use a book, you know what I mean? So I need to use a book. This is a pretty Reader's Digest, and it has this pretty blue cover. So I thought I could incorporate my denim and lace with this cover. It has this pretty brown spine that is in a really excellent shape that I could keep the spine just like this. If I can not cut it when I take it apart, I can leave this together, take out the pages, and just use the spine, you know, use the cover and the spine like it is, like don't cut the cover separate from the spine, because I kind of love this. So I would like to keep it just like this. You know, you'd have the sewing in the signatures right here, right over this right here. And then I would just strengthen the spine on the inside and add, you know, whatever decoration, pockets and things on the inside, and just take these pages out without cutting this cover at all. And I think that would come out really beautiful. Add some denim and lace touches here on the front and the back. So we'll see how I can, see if I can do that. I'm going to try, so we'll see how it comes out. And then I pulled some fabrics out of my fabric stash. Now this is one I just showed you a week or two ago, where I just picked up this like quilt square at my local little mom and pop thrift store here in my town, and it had this denim on the inside. So I want to see if I can use this with the papers. The papers, the kit, you know, doesn't have these bright colors, but that doesn't mean I can't use this. So I'm going to see what I can do with that. And then I pulled out some blues I have. I have this blue right here, blue and white. I have this blue and white strip, which it looks like denim, but it's just fabric. Another pretty blue here, blue and white. And these last few right here are from Laura, my friend Laura. This one too, I think is from Laura. And I thought maybe some red would look pretty with this. Let me see how it looks with this quilt square. This has some red in it too, like right here, almost the same color. So I mean, these all can go together, you know. And then I've got a couple of blue bandanas here, which I thought I would love to do something with. These are really pretty. And then I've got some lace, of course. I mean, it's denim and lace, so here's a strip of lace. So it would be awesome to be able to use any or all of these in this journal. So that's it. That's what I've got out so far for my next project. I can't wait to get started on it. But, you know, Christmas is here. So I might be delayed for the next couple of days of working on this. We'll see. And I'm still working on my December daily through the end of December. And I'm going to, I'm so excited about some new projects. Let me get these all together here so I can keep it all together. But yeah, I'm so excited about some new projects I'm thinking about for the new year. Starting off my new year, kind of so excited. But I will share those with you later. So I hope you enjoyed. I might make some more ephemera before I start on the book, just as something to progress on the journal, but maybe not deal with the cover right now, or maybe deal with the ephemera in the cover and then the pages. We'll see. I don't have an exact plan for everyone as far as stages. I just do what I want, you know what I mean? So anyway, everyone, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting.